Hello friends, this is the first video of MR Games channel. The game of first video is Hoppy Bird. Hoppy Bird is a copy of Flappy Bird. The Flappy Bird game was deleted from Play Store and Google in 2013, and this is a Hoppy Bird, Flappy Bird's copy. You can download it on Play Store. It is free. It is very difficult game. Very difficult and not easy. Very difficult game. You can download it from Play Store. Last time I try. And thanks for watching this video. You can download Hoppy Bird from Play Store. Like, share, comment and subscribe this channel.